Loosen the screws on the screen. Tear off the decorative strip. You need to remove the hydraulic bracket. Be careful not to let the drain cover fall. Unscrew the screws and remove the side metal panel of the machine. Loosen the screws and remove the motor gear. Unscrew the fixed screws of the belt drive motor. Be careful not to let the motor fall. Disconnect the motor power cable. Unscrew the screws and remove the motor. Unscrew the screws and remove the metal bracket. Replace with a new belt drive motor. Install the belt drive motor. Connect the power cable. Install the gear, ensuring the gears are aligned and properly seated. Align the screws with the motor notch and then tighten the screws. Install the metal panel. Install the hydraulic bracket, making sure to steady the drying cover to prevent it from falling. The video is about to end. Thank you for watching.